Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at dividing integers practice. So the first one is we're given these problems and we need to decide if they are correct or incorrect. Just to give you a tip, the answers, the numbers that is, are correct. We're just looking to see if the sign used is correct or not. So for this first one, A, we have negative 35 divided by negative 5. The answer is 7, but is it negative 7? Well, since they are both negative, it should be positive. So this would go under incorrect. For B, we have negative 42 divided by 7 equals negative 6. Well, 42 divided by 7 is 6. Since they are different, it should be negative. That's what's there. So it is correct. So again, all we're looking for is if the answer's sign is correct or not. The actual answer that's there, the number, is correct. So that is not a factor in this. We're just seeing if the sign in front of it is correct. So here, 56 and negative 8, they're different. So my answer should be negative. So this is correct. Here we have negative 54, negative 9. They have the same sign, so it should be positive. It says negative, so this is incorrect. Just a reminder, if they have the same sign, both negative or both positive, the answer should be positive. If they have different signs, one negative and one positive, the answer should be negative. Okay, here, very similar to the multiplication one, we're going to do division and put our answer here. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. Since they are different, it is going to be negative 11. So not H, J. Okay. Now we have 64 divided by 4. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to pull up a calculator to help me. 64 divided by 4. 16. Since 1 is negative, it's going to be negative 16, so it's not G, E. Here we go. Okay, last one I'm going to do on this slide. 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Since both are negative, it's going to be positive 15. And you do the same for these guys. If you need to, use a calculator and then determine what sign you're supposed to use. Okay, this last one is kind of tricky, but it should be simple. So here it says, Miss Casey's class was comparing the mean of low temperatures in 2 cities. Use the tables to find the mean low temperature for each city. There's a typo there. Then determine which city has the lowest mean temperature on record. Remember, when dealing with negative numbers, the higher the negative number, the lower the temperature it is. So together we'll do Alaska, and you'll be in charge of North Dakota. And then you're going to move this circle here to which one is the correct answer, which one has the lowest mean. Now, to find mean, you add these up and then divide by how many numbers there are. So since they are all negative, we're going to actually add them. We're not just going to subtract them. So this is how I'm going to do it. Since they're all negatives, I can just straight up add them. And if you look over here at North Dakota, it's the same thing. They're all negatives, so you can just straight up add them. I'm going to do 12 plus 9 plus 8 plus 15 plus 11. That gets me 5. There are 5 days, so I'm going to divide by 5. And my answer is 11. Now, remember, I had a negative 55 divided by 5. Those were 2 different signs, so my answer is negative 11. You do the same thing here, add them up, divide by 5, find out which one has the lower degree and move this circle over to them. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, let me know. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!